Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Samsung keyboard settings in just a few taps. First, open your settings, scroll down and find this option called General Management and tap on it. Now, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. If it does not show directly, tap Keyboard List and Default and then go to Samsung Keyboard. Now scroll down and look at this option called Reset to Default Settings and tap on it. Now tap on Reset Keyboard Settings and confirm by tapping Reset. Once done, your Samsung keyboard will go back to factory settings. All personalized data like saved words and custom settings are gone and it's clean and fresh. And yes, that's how you reset your keyboard on Samsung phone. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.